Installing Joomla on XAMPP is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Install XAMPP. Download and install XAMPP from the official website. After installation, open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL services. Download Joomla. Visit the official Joomla website and download the latest version of Joomla. Extract Joomla files. After downloading, extract the Joomla zip file. Copy the extracted files and paste them into the htdocs folder inside your XAMPP installation directory. Create a database for Joomla. Open your web browser and go to the following. Click on Databases and create a new database. Run Joomla installation. In the browser, go to localhost/Joomla. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select the language, enter the database name, username and password. Complete installation. Fill in your site details. After Joomla installation completes, delete the installation folder for security reasons.